A perfect cup of coffee can mean something different to each person. For us at Touch, it means brewing hot, strong, big coffee shop quality coffee with the push of one button. It also means flexibility. The Touch brewer can customize the coffee flavor by adjusting the water temperature and the brew time. One touch of the mild, medium, or bold strength buttons sets the system to brew the perfect cup just for you. There are so many choices in the beverage capsule today, but no worries. Our brewers will work with the standard K-Cups. The Touch system also incorporates the latest flash heating technology. This delivers 3 significant improvements over the competition. First, Touch brewers starts brewing within 20 seconds of being powered on, so you don't have to wait for your perfect cup of coffee in the morning. Second, the flash heating technology saves power. It only consumes power when it is brewing. Other brewing systems, because the heater tank is always on, it's on 24/7. And third, it heats the water to an ideal brewing temperature of 200 degrees, which is hotter than the leading competitor's water temperature. That extra heat is needed to extract all the bold flavors from the coffee beans from the richest, most full-bodied coffee. At Touch, we also completely reinvented the coffee capsule. In order to brew a stronger, bolder cup of coffee, you need more coffee. Touch's extra bold and extra large cups hold up to 30% more coffee than the standard K-Cup pods and are engineered to fully extract coffee flavor and aromas. With the ability to select brewing cup sizes from 6 ounces all the way up to 26 ounces, you can even brew a travel mug size without sacrificing taste. And with the carafe option, you can easily and economically brew enough coffee for the whole family using your own favorite coffee beans. The Touch brewing system really is the next generation in single-serve coffee brewing. If you want to brew the perfect cup of coffee just the way you like it, the Touch brewer is the perfect choice.